where do we seek our self-worth? We live in a society, for example, that teaches women that their worth is based on how they look. It's based on how thin they are, how light-skinned they are, depending where you live in the world, depending on how attractive they are. And girls internalize this idea that their worth is literally based on how they look and how attractive they can be. When you make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala your source of self-worth, you have a completely different definition of what makes you worthy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum." So Allah tells us who of us is the most honored. He says the most honored of you in the eyes of Allah is the one who has